YouTube, welcome back to Peterson Auto. You can see, yeah, it's snowy. It's really snowy. So, it's middle winter. Mustang here just happens to be covered in a ton of snow. And I mean a ton of snow. I haven't even dug that thing out. So, I got a new camera here. It's a GoPro. And I was going to give you a video saying how to use the tractor here. Unfortunately, it's pretty cold, and the GoPro's mount does not work as I thought it did. It will not stick to the half the paint there with the suction cup. So when it's warm out, I'll probably be putting one of the 3M stick-on mounts on that for you guys if these videos pop up a lot more and everything. But for now, I can't give you a how to operate a tractor video. So we're going to cover the Mustang. So I got something going on with it. Looks like my buddy Charlie conned me into possibly doing a rally here. Come sometime in spring, summer. Not exactly sure what yet. I'll definitely give you an update as they set final dates for everything. But it's one of those Lemons rallies. So right now we have the SN90 Pi swap done, which I'm actually currently working on finishing the editing on those videos. So, if you see this one before you see those, definitely go check it out. But if you're interested in a whole rally scene, definitely subscribe. We'll be doing one of those Lemons rallies, going around different areas of America and doing crazy stuff. So, yeah, we're going to get a lot more interesting things other than just automotive fixes on the channel here soon. And we'll be doing probably daily updates on each one of those, I'm thinking. So, again, like, comment, and subscribe, especially if you want to keep updates to Peterson Auto. And keep an eye open for our rally videos coming in summer.